Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs, but very few people are talking about the new jobs AI is creating. The truth is, you don't need to be a programmer or own an expensive computer to start making money with AI. In this video, I'll show you 10 beginner-friendly AI skills that businesses are paying for in 2026, and how you can start learning them today using free tools. Before we begin, remember that these aren't get-rich-quick tricks. They're real skills that can help you build long-term income if you're willing to practice consistently. The best part is that many of them can be learned using only your Android phone. Businesses need blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and website content. AI helps you work faster, but your editing and creativity make the final result valuable. Many job seekers struggle to create professional resumes. With AI, you can draft ATS-friendly resumes and customize them for different industries. Companies pay for persuasive sales pages, ads, emails, and landing pages. AI can help generate ideas, but strong copywriting still requires human judgment. Knowing how to ask AI the right questions can produce better outputs for businesses and creators. AI tools can summarize articles, compare information, and organize research, saving businesses time. Creators need engaging scripts that keep viewers watching. AI can speed up drafting while you shape the final story. Many businesses need social media contents like Instagram captions, Facebook posts, LinkedIn content, and content calendars. Businesses and creators use AI images for thumbnails, ads, and social media graphics. Companies need attractive presentations for meetings and clients. AI tools can help with layouts and content ideas. Many entrepreneurs hire assistants to answer emails, organize information, and manage tasks using AI tools. You don't need to master all 10 skills at once. Choose one that interests you, practice every day, create a few sample projects, and start building experience. Consistency beats trying to learn everything at once. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical AI and online income content.